How to find your Likee profile visitor. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your Likee profile visitor. So first thing, go to your Likee app, and here on your profile you're gonna find visitor app there. Click on it. So basically in this option you can know all the people or viewers who viewed your profile at last couple of days. And like you see, no visitor yet because this is a new account. And you're gonna find like and comments on videos and make posts can help to quickly post number of your visitor. Now this is it, so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.